Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're talking about one of the most important parts of your Shopify fashion store, models. And I'm going to show you how to build your own brand model inside Seller Pick. No photographers, no studios, no stress. Just clean, professional, consistent visuals that actually feel premium. Think about it. Your model is literally your brand's identity. They set the tone. They decide how customers picture themselves in your clothes. Big brands like Zara, Dior, Mango, they don't just throw random faces in. They build consistency. And that's why their stores feel cohesive. But small sellers? We don't usually have the budget for that. Seller Pick changes the game. Step 1, super easy. Grab a reference photo. It could be from Zara's lookbook, a Dior campaign, even just a Mango ad that made you go, yes, that's the vibe. That one single image becomes your starting point. Don't overthink it, just pick a model shot that feels right. Step 2, head into Instruct Edit. Upload that reference and type a simple prompt to describe what kind of brand model you want. For example, female model, olive skin, short bob haircut, minimal modern vibe. Hit generate and boom, you've got a clean, high-quality model shot. You can choose a style you like to be your brand model. Step 3, save that model and upload it into Virtual Try-On. Let's say you're selling a summer dress. Drop in your product photo, apply it to the model, and just like that, it looks like you paid for a professional shoot. And trust me, that single feature already saves you thousands of dollars. But one shot is never enough. This is where Pose Changer comes in. With one click, you get standing, walking, over the shoulder, whatever you need. And if you want variations, hit Pose Variation. Same pose, but natural tweaks. So it doesn't look robotic. Suddenly, you've got a full-on lookbook. Same model, same vibe, but tons of angles and outfits. Now let's talk about why this actually matters for your Shopify store. Imagine uploading 30 products, and every single one has the same model, the face of your brand. That's consistency. That's professionalism. And that's what makes customers trust you. It's not just photos, it's brand identity. Pro tip, don't just stop at uploading 1 or 2 plain product photos. Go the extra mile and create a full set of images. Show the front view, the side angle, close-ups of key details, and even a few lifestyle shots that show the product in real use. This variety helps customers see the product from every angle and imagine it in their own lives. Once you have your set, upload them into your product gallery so it looks professional and complete. Then, take it a step further. Sync your homepage banner with your model or key product image. This creates a consistent visual story across your store. The result? Your shop feels cohesive and intentional, like every detail was carefully designed. And most importantly, it builds trust, because when customers see high quality, consistent visuals, they feel more confident about buying. So quick recap. Reference photo. Instruct Edit. Virtual Try-On. Pose Changer. Upload into Shopify. That's how you turn your store from random reseller to actual brand without hiring a single model. If you're serious about scaling your store, check out Seller Pick. Links down below. And hey, hit like and subscribe. I've got way more tutorials coming to help you build a 6-figure store without 6-figure costs.